Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this fall set, and I will also be reviewing the Modelones Acrylics. So I will be using the Modelones monomer and the Modelones Acrylic in number 27. This acrylic and the monomer was included in their acrylic kit. It comes with the monomer, 3 acrylics, a nude, a white, and a clear, some nail forms, and a brush. So like I said, I will be using number 27, and it's a really pretty peachy nude. It was really easy to work with. The consistency was nice. The monomer and this acrylic paired really well. The monomer actually smelled pretty good, which was like kind of weird because, you know, monomer always kind of smells bad. The monomer smelled kind of like fruity. I don't know. But yeah, I liked how it smelled. Next, I'm going to be taking number 31, and this is part of their Morandi collection. The collection comes with 12 different colors. I didn't include a clip of me swatching the acrylics, but I do have a picture of all the swatches. So the color I'm using is like a really pretty lilac color. This color was a little bit sheer, just a little bit, nothing too bad. You could easily build up the color. It was also really easy to work with. So I'm applying this color onto about half of the nail, so basically where the nail tip meets the natural nail, because I will be creating an ombre. So I'll be using number 27 to create the ombre part. I don't know why, but I was having kind of like a hard time creating a nice ombre, like blending the two colors together. I think it was just me. I don't think it was the actual acrylics. I don't know. I feel like they weren't really blending. It might have been because of the way that I applied the purple. I'm not sure. But in the end, it looked really nice, so it doesn't really matter. For the ring finger, I'm dipping my brush into clear and then dipping it into the lilac color a little bit to create a marble. And I'll be doing the same with the nude color, and I'm applying that towards the cuticle area. Next, I'll be taking this glitter. This is by GZL Beauty in glitter mix number 5. This is on my online store. So I'm just applying that onto some parts of the nail. And then I'm going to be taking the nail plug Maple Leaves, and I'm just picking up like a purple one and a gold one to sort of match the glitter. And then for the pinky, I'm just doing a full glitter nail. And the clear acrylic that I'm using is the Modelones clear acrylic. So next I'll be taking number 25, which is the clear acrylic, to encapsulate the pinky, the ring finger, and the index finger. As you guys can see, the clear was a little bit more on the runny side, but it was still easy to work with. After like a couple seconds, it was like easy to pat in and stuff, so yeah, nothing too bad. But yeah, I actually really like the Modelones Acrylics. I still have a lot of colors that I could use, and some of them are like really like fall colors, so I will probably be using those in my future videos. I would recommend you guys to go check them out. So I do have a 20% off code for the kit and for the Morandi collection. It will be in the description box if you guys are interested in these. Once I'm done encapsulating, I'll be filing the nails. So this nail file actually came with the nail plug mystery box. I did do a haul. If you guys are interested, I will have it linked in the description, and I'll also leave a little card on the right side of the screen. And then I'm taking the Pana 5-in-1 drill bit, and I think it's a fine grit. I'm just filing around the cuticle area to seal it in, and also the surface of the nail just to smooth it out. And then I'm taking a 180 grit file to file on top of the nail to smooth it out even more. I feel like I can't really smooth it out completely with the drill, so that's why I go back in with the hand file. And then I'm just buffing out the nails using the Young Nails 180 buffer. Once I'm done filing, I will be cleaning off the nails with some alcohol and some lint-free wipes. These are from Nail Plug. So I will be using the Lilac bling adhesive to apply some crystals on the middle finger. So I'm using some Swarovski crystals in Lilac and Golden Shadow. I don't know the exact sizes of these. I think the lilac ones are SS12s and the other ones, I'm not sure. I got them in like a mix pack off of Joann's, I think. And finally, for the top coat, I'm using the Beetles Top It Off top coat, and I'm applying that onto all of the nails and then curing it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you guys are interested in the Modelones Acrylics, I do have a 20% off discount code in the description. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching.